This 1080p video shows two easy ways of adjusting the screen brightness in Linux without using the terminal. Method 1. Press below on the battery power icon. If you need more time to read anything, press the space bar to pause and play, or the J key to go back 10 seconds. Method 2. Press on Function plus F2 to reduce brightness, or Function plus F3 to increase brightness. Your keyboard may be different to mine. Fn plus F2, decreasing brightness. Fn plus F3, increasing brightness. Fn plus F2, decreasing brightness. If you found this video helpful, there are many more in this Linux YouTube channel. In the description below is a link to all my Linux Mint 1080 tutorials. If this video was useful, please give it a like and forward the YouTube link to your Linux friends. Also subscribe to be notified when I upload another Linux Mint 1080 tutorial to YouTube.